searching down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames won't burn us. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold you behind while the pain was over.
What's up, it's Taya. So I just wanted to do a room tour for you guys, just to show my room because I like doing these. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the B-roll clip before this intro clip, I guess. And yeah, let's just roll into the video. I hope you like it. Make sure to give it a like, and yeah, let's roll it. Alright, so to start off, at my door, I put on just a bunch of Polaroids that I've taken and accumulated over the past couple years, and I put my mirror on the door so I can take good old mirror selfies. And then right here I just have my key, and then my desk, my favorite part of my room. So I have my desk that my mom actually found on Craigslist that it's from IKEA, and it's a little bit broken, but anyways. And then I just have some books for my class, and then a book I'm just reading that I need to read again, some jewelry that I never wear, sea salt lamp lotion because I don't want my skin to be dry, and then my friend actually gave me that, a lighter to light my candle because I got my candle lit and it's just a vibe and it's awesome. And then I got this from Marshalls, and I just keep like some stuff right here, scrunchies, hair ties, and nail polish right there. And I have my diffuser, some pictures, my pins, and then just school stuff right here. And then right here, as you see, I just have my speaker, and then my Polaroid, and then my birthday was in September, so I still just have my balloons that's deflating. And then I just have some Oxy, my face pads, some stuff right in here, some random stuff in there, and then my meal prep containers and just some other random containers that I just put food in. And then we have my desk chair that my mom got for me, and I have my lamp that I love. I just have my backpack there, just sitting there. And then I have my little couch. It's called like a chase that I have, and then my rug. And then I have my favorite pillow right here that's so soft and fluffy. And then I have my fridge next to it because I wanted to keep my food in here. So yeah, I have my fridge that has all my food in it and stuff. So as you can see, it's got some sriracha, hot sauce, water bottle, pizza sauce, syrup, water bottle, pickles, bread, bunch of almond milks, some bread, some butter, ketchup, just a bunch of random things in here. And then on top of it, I have my Arnold Palmer, and then I have my Vaseline because my lips are just so dry right now, it's bad. And my candle that my friend got me, it smells so good. I have my bananas because I love bananas, and I have my humidifier going because it's cold and the air is very dry, and it's very dry in here. And then I come to my bed, just a regular bed, and then above it I have a Cristiano Ronaldo poster. And then we have my window. And then I have something that I just always wanted. I have something to keep my blankets in that I got from Home Goods, I think it was. I just keep all my blankets in it. And then turning around, we have my coats and my purse and umbrella. And we have the TV and my dresser that I got with my dad from IKEA. And then right here, I watched Harry Potter last night. And so that's it here. And then I have my Blu-ray player that I watch movies with. Got my Apple TV where I watch Netflix and Hulu and all that. And then I have all my clothes right here. Then I have just a little thing where I keep my shoes and stuff, and then I keep my nicer shoes that I like my Currys, my Tims, and then my Air Force Ones are just right there so they don't get all like dirty and stuff like that. And then I have my rug, I think I said that before. And then right here I have all my food again that I got the little 3-tier cart from Target. So I have just my lunchbox, oatmeal, I have brown sugar in here that I put in my oatmeal, some green tea, peanut butter, just some spices like garlic powder, red pepper flakes, and chili powder. And then I have, as you can tell, I like rice-a-roni, so I have lots of rice-a-roni, and I needed diced tomatoes for the Spanish rice I got, so I just got a bunch of those, some beans, some minute rice. And then down here, I have my sandwich bags and stuff like that, and then I have my metal straws, and I have just some mac and cheese noodles to make some mac and cheese. And then just underneath my desk I have just some cleaning supplies. I have laundry detergent, Lysol wipes, and just shower cleaner. And then my laundry basket is usually right here, but I'm doing laundry right now, so that's that. And yeah, let's give you a one time for the one time of the room. Guys, that is going to be the conclusion of my room tour. I love my room so much, and I hope you guys do. If you want to see more videos of mine, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below. I also would appreciate it if you put video suggestions down in the comments. Very appreciated. And yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.